Okay, so we have here another example for Euclidean algorithm. Okay, so again we will read the rules. Okay, so rules: if A is 0, then the greatest common divisor for A and B is B, since the greatest common divisor for 0 and B is B, and we stop the solution. Okay, if B is 0, then the greatest common divisor for A and B is simply equal to A, since the greatest common divisor for A and 0 is A, and then we stop our computation. Okay, if A and B, okay, if A and B are not equal to 0, then we go to rule number 3. Write A in quotient remainder form, which is A equals to B times the quotient plus the remainder. Okay, and then find the greatest common divisor for B and the remainder using the Euclidean algorithm. Since greatest common divisor of A and B is also equal to the greatest common divisor for B and R. Okay, so this rule number 4 is already been explained on your topic 2 lecture notes. Okay, so we have here another question number 2, or let's say question number 2 or example number 2. Okay, so find the greatest common divisor D of 288 and 117 and find the integers x and y, solving the equation 288x plus 117y is equals to your greatest common divisor D. Okay, so prepare your calculator. Okay, so since A and B is not equal to 0, then we proceed to rule number 3. Okay, so let our solution. So let A equals to 288 and B is equals to 117. Then we write in the form of quotient remainder form. Okay, so therefore A is equals to B times the quotient plus the remainder. Okay, so therefore we have 288 is equals to, our B is 117, so 117 times, okay, so solving for the quotient, okay, so the quotient is equals to 288 divided by 117, and that will be equal to 288 divided by 117, and the answer is 2.4615 38. Okay, and repeating for 4615. Okay, so then next 461538. Okay, so that will be your decimal value. So therefore the quotient is simply equal to 2. Okay, so therefore Q, or the quotient, is equals to 2. Okay, and then 2 times 17, 117, so we have, so therefore we have 2, so times 2, our quotient 2, plus the remainder, the remainder will be, and solving for R is equals to 0.0 4,615,38 4,615,38 multiplied to 117. Okay, so that will be the remainder. Minus 2 times 117, and that will be equal to 53.9999 or equal to 54. So therefore our remainder is 54. Okay na. Okay. So then again, 17 is your B and 54 is your R. So then rewriting them to quotient remainder form. So we have quotient remainder form will be 117 is equals to 54 times the quotient. Okay. So 117 divided by 54. So we have, okay, so we have 2 plus the remainder is 8.999 or 9. Okay, so let's solve. Okay, so the quotient is equals to, for the black, color black, 117 divided by 54, that will be equal to 2.16666. Okay, 2.16667. Then solving for R is equals to 0. Okay, so therefore the quotient is Q is equals to 2, and the remainder is 1666667 times 54, and that will be equal to 8.9999 or 9. Okay, the next, again, your B will become 54 and your remainder is 9. Then rewriting again to quotient remainder form, we have, okay, so let's use the color blue. So 54 is equals to 9 times, okay, so 54 divided by 9, what's the quotient? 54 divided by 9, and that will be equal to 6 plus your remainder, which is 0. So now we have the remainder 0. We have now the remainder 0. So therefore we stop our computation, since the greatest common divisor of A and B is also equal to the greatest common divisor of B and R. Okay, so the greatest common divisor of B and R, so therefore we have V is equals now to 9 and R is equals now to 0. So therefore our D, so therefore D is now equals to 9. Okay, so 9 is our greatest common divisor for 288 and 170. Okay, so solving now for the value of x and y. Okay, solving the value of x and y. Okay, so solving for the value of x and y, so we have solving for the value of x and y. Okay, so from E1, okay, so let's say this is our E1. E1, this is our E2, and this is our E3. Okay? So from E1 can be written as 54. Okay? So E1 can be written as, okay, it's a line. E1 can be written as 54 is equals to 1 times 288 minus 2 times 117. Okay? 2 times 117. Okay? Times 117. The next, E2, okay? So E2 can be written as, E2 can be written as 9 is equals to 9 is equals to 1 times 117 minus 2 times 54. Okay? So then, writing this equation, okay, copy, paste. So writing this equation, our equation will become 288x plus 117y equals to D. Okay, so then substitute, okay, substitute the value of 54, the value of 54 from E1 to substitute the value of 54, the value of 54 from E1 to E2. Okay, so we have E2 is equals to 9 is equals to 1 times 117 minus 2 times 54, and 54 is equals to 1 times 288 minus 2 times 117. Then simplifying, we have 9 is equals to 1 times 117 minus 2 times 288 plus 4 times 117, and then we have 9 is equals to negative 2, okay, negative 2 times 288 plus 5 times 117. So now we are, okay, so as you can see, okay, so by correspondence, okay, so by correspondence 9 is your D, 28, this is 28, this is 28, X is negative 2, this is your 117, and therefore Y is equals to 5. Okay? So then we have D is equals to 9. X is equals to negative 2. And Y is equals to 5. Okay?